How to get to search history on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Safari application on your phone. Safari allows users to browse the internet, view websites, and manage browsing data. Once you're here, go to the bottom right corner and tap on the three dots. Then, tap on Bookmarks icon to view all your bookmarks. You can view all your bookmarks over here. Then, tap on the Reading List icon to view the reading lists. After that, tap on the History icon on the right. From here, choose a date. You can view all the search history for that day. Repeat this to view the search history for the other days as well. Following these steps, you can easily get to search history on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.